Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 8.8-inch Android screen in an Audi Q5 with the trunk handle camera. And right now we are doing wired CarPlay. Also we can do wireless CarPlay. That's connected to the Apple CarPlay right now. It's fully touch. As you can see, it fits perfectly fine in the dash. We can use Google Maps, Waze, or any other app. And we can go back to aftermarket mode. And also we can scroll on the menu, and by clicking on Audi it goes back to the factory MMI, and by touching the screen we go back to the aftermarket mode, and we can change the clock to digital clock, and we can change the information that it reads from OBD, from car shape logo to the speedometer and the distance that the truck traveled and the temperature outside. And all the apps are here. Google Store is there, so you can download any other apps that you like. And by going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to guide you through the unit that you like, or you can book your appointment for installation. Thank you and have a great day.